This one has an interesting looking graph, and we got several different things we'd like to answer. So let's go ahead and answer the first and last question. I'm sorry, the first and the third question here, because these are not really calculus questions, stuff that we should be a little more familiar with. So f of 1 is asking me what is the function when x is 1. So when x is 1, it's not hitting here, it's an open circle. Not hitting here, there's another hole. When x is 1, y is 2. And then the third question, same idea, but what is y when x is 4? So when x is 4, here is y. And unfortunately, there's a hole there. So nothing, does not exist. Or undefined, I guess you could say. Now, how that's going to apply, because this one is about the limit as x approaches 1, and this one's the limit as x approaches 4. So just because the x value at 1 gives us a y value of 2, may mean that the limit as x approaches 1 is 2, but it may not. We can't really assume that. So as x approaches 1, it's got to be the same from the right and from the left. And from the right side, the y values are getting closer to 1. And from the left side, they're getting closer to 3.5 or 4. I don't know exactly, but they're definitely not the same. So if it's not from the right and the left, the same thing, that limit does not exist. But the limit as x approaches 4, from the right, the y values are getting closer to 2, and from the left, the y values are getting closer to 2. So even though the x value doesn't exist at 4, the limit as x approaches 4 can exist, because it doesn't have to be there. It's just what's it going to. It's got to be the same from the right and from the left, but assuming that that's true, then we can get a value there.